Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican. Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Goodies, welcome back again to your girl channel and to my kitchen. My daughter here as usual, and we are about to do another seafood boil.
In my eyes you're a star girl. Hey, she fit me and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing, this are the plastic.
Right now the recipe, you will see that later on. I think I'm going to put up the seafood boil first, and then we do the recipe a different time. Either way, you're not going to see how I make this, but what we have here is
king crab, sausage, potatoes, sweet corn, boiled egg without the shell, and then shrimp, mussels. It's mussels, it's like a big oyster, and then shrimp.
And eggs. Is that eggs already?
Yeah, it's an eggs.
Okay. So, and then I made my sauce right here.
Yeah. Homemade.
So this is not Belof sauce. This is Juliana sauce, right? And I'm going to make another video for show you how to make this sauce, but it is so good, isn't it good, Devadia? Right. So I'm gonna have in my cup. I'm gonna have some lemon juice.
This is my orange juice.
Right. So. Now let's say a prayer and dig on in. Heavenly Father, thank you for this meal that we are about to receive. Let it be nourishment to our mind, soul, and body. For all the people that have no food, even the eaters, them provide for them as well. In Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. Alright.
Digging now?
So we're going to dig it because let me tell you something good. Your girl have not my juice that way. You can make a turn this so you can have better access. Look. Because me about to turn it, you know, yeah, me about to turn it, man, because I want y'all to see what's eating here, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to turn this way, because I'm like super the duper hungry, y'all. I did not eat anything all morning. From eat last night.
I didn't eat anything.
We eat last time, we eat my dinner, and that was it, nothing else. So let me start off with my shrimp. What's the flavor?
Mussel.
You probably need something to put your thing in now. Well, like I do. Have to drink this one.
No, I'm good. I just dig out the good stuff.
I got tiger shrimp, y'all. And then I have some jumbo shrimp. Oh, man. So good. Y'all, I don't want y'all to miss. I never know them can't sit this thing good enough, but
all I know is that I'm hungry. Tiger shrimp. Big old tiger
so
shrimp.
good.
It peels off in one peel. Ah, it dropped on my mouth. Oh, definitely leave it in there.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Well,
I'm gonna put my plate with my sauce inside of this. I'm going to see this thing. You know what I'm saying?
egg.
Alright, let me go in with my king crab legs. Because, man, the girl is hungry, yo.
No mercy on the king crab.
No mercy on the king crab. There's something here. Drinking up.
Yeah, I got the little points on this one.
This is what we're talking about, y'all.
That's the meat right there.
Look at that, y'all.
Public meat.
Look at that. Let's go in. We don't ever do a thumbnail.
Oh, we'll do that later.
Let's do a thumbnail. We can't do a thumbnail when the plate empty. Come. Come.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay. Now. Time. Oh, do chicken.
Oh, wrong way.
Wrong
Let's
way.
gotta break that right there.
Okay.
That got meat in it. And you gotta break this right here. This got meat in it, but you can come up with it and then you cut it out. The meat is in here. The sauce tastes good. Hey, baby. Yum.
Poor crap. But oh well. This is a real delicacy.
Wow. That sauce right there.
Go well with it.
The sauce, y'all, is the bomb that come. So good. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Take your bite. So how everybody like the giveaway so far? Well,
There's always that one
from the
person.
giveaway, you don't know what you're gonna get. That's the good thing about it. So, if you're fast at hitting your notification, make sure the notification is on, and you bid of one for say first, second, or third, then you get a surprise gift. And that's just all go. Yeah, this is so good.
Yeah.
So good. Oh, that's the mustard.
Oh, dip the whole thing in there.
Get that sauce, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Juliana seafood sauce, y'all. Look at that. So good. Everybody hear about the drama and stuff that going on YouTube lately?
What drama?
The mukbang community.
What happened?
Collaboration gone wrong.
People have
Because
different
friends can turn into frenemies.
ideas. Or enemies.
That's true. And people sometimes get into them feelings because when you meet, when you talk to somebody via YouTube, and then you actually go link up and you do your collab and stuff. Sometimes people say I'm not really, you're not the person that they expected you to be when you meet face to face.
Why would you say that, number one?
And Everybody just going crazy right now. That's why you gotta be careful. That's something I just cannot, but I said we can't get it out there, yeah.
Either way, we're getting the meat.
This guy when named Nick, what name? Something like avocado. Y'all know who that is, and I'm getting some blah blah with another mukbanger. So now I'm saying now I'm gonna do no more YouTube videos. But you know something, I don't know what them drama that I want to find out. It don't make no sense.
Bounce.
I know everybody have to fight for. Come on now. You see, YouTuber fight to nobody when they make them changes for them policies and them something there.
Right.
And let's go in and change them like how we feel. So everybody get money hungry and selfish and greedy and them something there.
That's how it go. Mama bite into it. I love the mussels especially.
Yeah. The mussels are yum.
Especially since you made it.
Everybody are going crazy right now. Right. It's crazy.
It really is.
I mean, I stay far from them drama there. Go there. Far from the drama.
No time for that.
I don't have no time for it. The egg is good. Nobody need to just get along. You know, I mean,
Ain't no such thing as getting everybody getting along. Unfortunately. King crab tender, is it?
yeah.
That's the muscle right there.
So, long story short, I'm actually have to stir if I'm out of them something there.
Too much. You know, no more boring. It's no more
Boring. Y'all, if you hear some sound, and of course, I'm a dog. Always a cup when me do stuff like this.
Decide to play with his toy.
Yeah. Anytime you know, get attention, and start to make peer nice.
Like earlier, he was just relaxing the entire time.
You must relax in. Future, stop it out. Stop it out.
This is what we call a temper tantrum.
Ooh,
Your boss.
you're getting there, huh?
This one bust too. You feel it.
I love the potato, so guess what? I'm digging, yeah. Future, stop it out. I'll take the tie there from him.
We're soon over. No.
But yeah, the moral to the story there.
Mind your business. That's the moral of the story.
Everybody does need to get along.
Yeah.
You know? But I was always scared of doing collaboration, even before me really start really into YouTube like that. Yeah. When Jamila used to have our channel, when she still have our channel.
Yeah.
And then she would do collaborations with a couple of people. And when she uploaded a video, they didn't upload anything.
Them bad.
And then, when you try to contact them block her.
They just wanted it. They just wanted exposure.
They just wanted her to mention their channel. Then basically they used her.
No. Did she take it down after she
took it down, but at the end of the day,
some people still saw it.
Some people still saw their channel. You just have to do it from the bottom of your heart and just say, you know what, I'm just going to do this, whatever. Because for me, I don't care. Some people, if they want to do collaboration with them, they're not going to do it if you know have a certain amount of subscribers. And ever since my page got hacked, y'all, I guess some of y'all know that my page got hacked last year. I don't show my my subscriber count anymore. So I took that down. Oh, excuse me.
Burp.
Yeah, I took that down because too much frenemies and too much haters. So I took it down.
Only 3 muscles left. So sad. Only 3 muscles left, y'all. And these muscles are good. I think the muscles is my favorite part.
I didn't put any pepper under the sauce.
Yeah, I can't handle the pepper.
Because I'm gonna figure say
you can handle it.
If my husband wanted pepper, then he just have to just
put it in himself.
Put it in himself.
But you can't handle pepper. Yeah. I can handle pepper to an extent. Like if it starts to make my nose runny, I can't take it.
Yeah.
I think my bus. After them 2 muscles, I think my bus.
I think we all bust.
Oh, I'm still finishing these muscles first.
But it's not going to waste because I'm going to do another seafood boil with the remainder of my food, y'all.
Yeah.
I said I can't do the mukbang thing, you know, because it makes sense if me I do it, I'm easy forgetful. Yeah,
this is the most you've ever eaten.
I'm easy forgetful. I'm trapped in, but I have a small belly. I'm not all hungry. I get full up quick. Quick, y'all. Quick.
Naked and afraid we'll fix your business.
But yeah. But I'm not gonna make them scare me off from doing collaborations. I'm gonna do it regardless. Some people don't want to do it because they feel like, you know, they don't want other people to know about your channel. But for me, I don't care. I don't care how much subscribers a person have. I'm gonna do it regardless. It no matter to me. You do good follow you. So that's what's going on over there in the mukbang world. Hopefully it'll come to the cooking world. Yeah, hopefully. So the only thing the cooking channels them though, and they will go around and watch other people's video and get a thumbs up with them fake profile. Or them give a bad comment with them fake profile. The cooking people let me do that. But sometimes them not gonna do the color. The cooking people want to do the color with you because them don't want to feel like they cook better than them. Or them cook better than you, vice versa. So they will not do a collab. But the mukbang, they will. Because the only thing they do is eat, they sit and eat and they eat and they eat. But everything turned upside down right now with them over there. Waterfall.
Oh.
Me full. But I'm gonna eat my rest of my potato. I'm gonna eat the rest of that.
Wait, I didn't finish my crab? I still have a leg.
You still have that, yeah?
Oh Lord.
You can't lift a king crab leg, you know?
I thought I finished my crab.
I think you have meat, no, you don't know that. Finish that, man.
Finish. Yeah,
let's go ahead and done out that.
Yeah, I finished the king crab.
I still have one left.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You just finish it, y'all.
You have enough room to finish that?
I don't have no room to finish nothing more.
Okay.
They'll eat that tomorrow. Leftovers.
Everything everything here is gonna be leftover. I don't really have the energy. Right now, I just want to take a nap because I'm full. You know, y'all know how when y'all eat a big meal, that y'all feel tired afterward. That's how I feel.
Pass some more napkin for me. I'm so stuffed. Well, great stuff.
The sauce is very nice, Mama.
The sauce was good. Yeah, I liked it. And the recipe for the sauce will be coming up soon. I have to edit that. I'm so stuffed. The only thing I'm gonna do later on, like eat some pie or something.
Pie.
Yeah. Pie, something sweet. Because
stuff off of seafood. You know, if this was meat like beef or pork, would have been stuff long time. You still have leftover. This is your leftover right here. My leftover. I still got shrimp underneath this mess. And then I didn't touch my potatoes. Barely touched the sausage. Ate one corn. You know. So I only got shrimp, sausage, potato, and corn left, and some boiled egg.
You did pretty good.
Yeah, I finished the crab and the mussel, but that's about it. And then I have 2 more corn left. I have 2.5 sausage left, and then I have like less than 2 boiled eggs.
I guess so. Done. But I think I did eat half of it, maybe. Yes, y'all. So that's about it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
I'm tired.
The food make it fit. The food mash you up.
Man.
Them food I was sending to sleep.
I feel sleepy now. You don't feel sleepy?
Of course. I feel like I want to smell cock up and something. Listen, last time I have the weirdest dream, you know?
Wow.
My dream, like me and hubby and you, like we go on this vacation home, but it's like a house, like a little, it was a small house, like 1 room. And but it was right on the beach. It was like over the beach, like right at the beach there, right at the seashore there, the house, like 1 room, and that's where I was staying. And then my dream, during the middle of the night, I started to hear like the waves coming in. The wave was coming in.
Into the house?
Yeah, the wave was coming in. The wave was coming right up to the house. And then the wave just, I listen to it, you know. And the wave just suddenly got higher and higher and higher. And the wave started to bang upon the glass and the door and everything. The wave, the sea, just started to crash. The door and the windows, the glass window. I get up because it was so loud. And husband was sleeping, fast asleep, and you was sleeping.
That's accurate.
But there was another house next door to the one that we was sleeping in. But the water come in after them on, and they had to come out. There was little kids too, a lot of children that was over the next house close to our own. And the water coming upon them, you know, and them have to come out, and I look through the window and see them out there. You know, but it looked like them kind of used to it, because they was like enjoying seeing the wave crashing in the wave was mad high. And then all of a sudden I see the wave start come higher and higher, like it go up to the roof. But the thing that I couldn't understand about it, the dream, even though the wave was coming in so powerful and so forceful, and it was licking the door and the windows like crash, the window wouldn't crack open. The water did not come in through the front door. Even though the door was cracked, like you have you have like a crease at the bottom of the door. And normally if water come in, if water crash or rise, water go coming through every crack span house. The water did not come in through the bottom and the floor, and the water and the glass did not crack, and the water did not come in. But just see the water and lick on the window, the glass window and everything, the water rise all the way up to the point I made it. I feel look up so. But the water never come in. It's like I was protected, like something.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
I never really feel scared, but it was like wondering how comes the force and the power from the water that was coming from the ocean never crack the glass. And it never come through the front door, and it never come through the cracks of the wall, because it was one of those like a board kind of house.
Those little log.
Those little log type of house, and you know them like a log house that have cracks on the wall, like board. But the water was not coming in. Even when the water, I watch the water rise higher, 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 to where like so I can look on the glass right now. The water was just coming higher, higher, but it never does normally rise. It was crashing. Boom! You can't see the wave coming in. Boom! But the glass wouldn't break. And I just jump out of my sleep. But just jump out of my sleep just like that. With my heart a beat fast. My heart a beat out of my chest. Come and swear me I drown now, you know. But you know something? After I wake up, right? I'm look on the time. I'm saying to myself, say, this dream must have some kind of meaning.
It does. It means you will never falter.
Yeah. It was powerful. It's like that dream gave me a sense of peace. To know that, well, this is how I feel about the dream. If me can find myself in the middle of a storm like that, where the water rise and I cover over the house, and me inside a little shaky little boat house on the beach front, and the water not come in and mash down the house, that means something is protecting me, and you know, me need to be more, what do you call it? What do you call that word, you know?
Well,
not so worried all the time about stuff. And
more relaxed.
Yeah, and just don't take things so personal, really.
Laid back, basically.
And just don't care what nobody wants to say. And just don't care what nobody wants to do. Or whatever they want to harm you, because nothing gonna touch me. Basically, that's what that meant. It was confirmation.
Just be laid back and carefree.
Just let it go. And don't worry, because so at something like that, and me never get hurt, me never drown, the water never touch me, that means I am okay. It's okay. Nothing can touch me. Nothing can touch me. And that was a dream that I think I needed, because these past couple of days, y'all, I've been feeling some kind of way, some kind of way. And nothing stressing me, nobody stressing me out. But it is hard. It is hard. It is hard.
Everyone has that resolution.
Yeah, it is hard. But for this year, on my next channel, Life as Juliana, goodie, I'm going to tell you another what I'm going to write. I'm going to put my life in a story times and put it over there. So that's why it's important to go over there and subscribe, because I'm going to lay it out, you know. I have one story where I want to do, you know, about one marker girl who live up in a Kinetic up there, and I'm going to give it, you know, because she boil up my belly. She boil up my belly like a diarrhea. She boil up my belly like a diarrhea, goodie. She boil up my belly. I'm long time she boil up my belly, you know. A long time she boil up my belly, you know. But I'm going to give it to her, and I'm going to give it to her nice and easy. She's not going to know when it will come, because she overdo it now. The story time is soon coming out. I diggle dog around the story time, you know. But it's not coming out. It dip on the tip of my bottom lip. It dip on the tip of my bottom. You know, some people go to always try to piss you off their words, so yeah. But you bite your lip and you try to go try to be nice. But sometimes nice to cut it, you know. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. Just let it out. Sometimes you have to do that. But anyway, watch out for the story time there. It was good. Now, if you don't want to see me do another mukbang, not anytime soon though, I want to do a vegan mukbang, but it's going to be on my next channel.
A vegan mukbang.
I'm going to do a vegan mukbang.
What is that going to have in it?
You don't have to do it.
I'm asking.
You don't have to do it. Because I'm going to make it all vegan stuff. Of course, you're going to have potatoes and corn. I'm going to have vegan sausage. And I'm going to try to mimic the vegan, you know, seafood some kind of way. Because I know how to do the shrimp, of course. And then we're going to have a little bit of vegan other little stuff on there. Okay. But I'm going to do a vegan mukbang.
Well, make sure you watch her do it, y'all.
So it's coming. But, y'all, your girl is tough. Your girl is happy. Your girl loves you guys to the core, the galore. And thank you guys so much for all your love and support. In supporting the thing that I love to do, which is cooking my ass off. Yes, Belle. Yes. Otherwise, when I do upload videos and the video is not for you, if you don't like the video, leave the video alone. You don't have to put a thumbs up on it. If you don't like the video, leave the video alone. After somebody will want to learn for that cooking neck and after you leave it alone. If you know, I'm not good for set, keep it stepping. Right? But that's what the thing said. So you don't need to stop it.
Why did they even put the dislike button?
Oh, I need to stop it. Soon. Listen, stop it. Stop it. Alright? But yeah, with that said, I can't talk no more because my belly is full.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm so full. I'm not gonna take a nap. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm just gonna get ready for the game. Yeah, so. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you. And we'll see you. Or me alone. Well, y'all see me in the next video, I hope. But y'all see she at the next mukbang. Or maybe a vlog or something.
Yeah. You're not gonna see me in the vegan seafood boil.
She not in the vegan seafood boil because she don't want to eat vegan food. She don't want to eat nothing healthy.
This is healthy, ain't it?
Somewhat, somehow. Because you will not see me having this every day. I will not be eating this every day. You know what I'm saying?
It's kind of healthy because shrimp, and you got your corn.
The corn is healthy, the potato is healthy. The egg is, yeah, you know, okay. You know, the shrimp is so, whatever. But when you're eating all that stuff with a whole bunch of sauce, listen. Me not gonna eat this every day, honey. It's hard for you to gain. Well, it's easy for you to gain, but it's hard for you to lose. And honey, me reach an age right now when me begin weight just by looking for food, okay? Me just gain weight just by looking for food. And because me don't want to maga girl like anything because I'm not over me. Me have to just stay nice and slim and trim as much as I'm, thick on, thick at the right places and something like that. Me not try to blow up for the girl like come laugh after me. You know what I mean? Come laugh after me. So. Yeah, that's what the thing was. So, I'm going to eat this every day. I should have put something in the medicine and go get her though. Because she need to put on some weight and I should just pack up the whole thing and send go get her. But anyway, I love you guys so much. I know I'm not drunk.
You sound like it, right? Who knows?
I'm not drunk.
Who knows what she's drinking?
A seafood drunk there. I mean, I'm not lemonade either.
This is probably some rum in it. Oh, sure. The finish was yours.
What do you drink?
Huh? I think orange juice.
But anyway, we don't want to do a shout out, but we can't do a shout out now. I love you guys so much. We do a shout out for the next time I come and sit down and eat my next seafood boil. I'm gonna do that.
Well, your head kind of cut out.
Wait. Love you guys so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god.